What's going on, guys? My name's Jack and welcome back to a brand new video. Now we are back in Organya, and obviously since we built an off-roader and the ultimate paragliding wagon, we've got to try and test the off-road. So we're going to drive to the top of the Organya mountain, up to the antennas and drop the boys off, and then we'll show you what a day in the life of basically me as an acro pilot in Organya is like. Let's get into it. Bad. Should we turn around? Oh my god, that's terrifying. But yeah, I'm happy that we turned back. That was stressful. We're going to this lost city place thing. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about is the temperature gauge. Got like 20 minutes left of this. Doesn't feel good, this one, does it? It's pretty there. So I'm about to run over a tree. Sorry, tree. So yeah, pretty much got up here, got to the antennas. Didn't really ever think about driving up here, but we tried the track after Theo telling us it was quite easy. And it was quite easy, but it wasn't really that pleasant because it was so rocky and it just didn't sound healthy for the car at all. But I guess I got to get used to that. With off-roading, you might recognise the antennas from other vlogs and stuff, or other people's stories and Instagrams from basically anyone that's ever been to Organya, because this is where we come and chill, hang out, waiting for the restitution, having a break between acro sessions, and now the boys are going to take off. Funny, isn't it, the stupid decisions you make, like not going to get fuel, and then you spend like 2 hours worrying about it.
Right, on the way up here, I'm thinking I better go back down with Jack because we're definitely going to break down. So just made it down off the mountain. You can see the beast is covered in crap. Look at all the dust on that. Right then, just got to go and find the boys. Right, so we came down off the mountain after doing the 4x4 up to the antennas for the boys. Lo and behold, it's not been flyable pretty much all day. And we decided, you know what? We're just going to go and camp up on one of the mountains. So we've grabbed a load of supplies. We're going to try and off-road Andy's van. And then obviously we've got the big Porsche. That's going to go ascending up to Pratt's. But yeah, let's try and escape to the cool.
Doing our bit for the locals, clearing a path for Twitty's van. You're not nervous of anything, are you, mate?
As long as don't snap it in half and fix everything else, mate.
Give me all the influence.
What a mission. What do you say, mate?
This is fun.
It is, isn't it?
It'll be easier to walk up, won't it?
It would, yeah. I'm comfortable, I'm not
No,
complaining.
you're fine.
I'm fine, yeah.
Yeah, it'd have been so disappointing, wouldn't it? If that had failed, that last thing I'd have gone and kicked it.
The van's made it. What a beast! I can't believe it.
Who needs four-wheel drive?
Who needs four-wheel drive? Porsche's loving life. More surprised at the Ducato, to be honest. Normal roadie tyres, put up there, super easy. Food, friends, and more importantly, it's like 10 degrees cooler than it was down there, so well worth it. Oh god, it's properly on there. Didn't bring that out. Bloody.
Tell us a bit about the evening, Jack.
Bedtime. Evening's brilliant. We got up here. Didn't think it was going to be flyable tonight because we came up here at about 7 o'clock and nothing had happened, but lo and behold, when we got up here, the boys started flying. But it's okay, we managed to get up here and escape the heat. It's just been so hot this weekend, and there's a fiesta in the centre of town, so no heat, no noise. I'm wearing a jumper for the first time in a week, so that's quite nice. And we're using the Overland for what it's actually built for. The boys are going to get up early in the morning, go for a fly, and then we're going to motor on down, probably sleep again, just because we'll no doubt have a terrible night's sleep, and then crack on and go flying tomorrow. Oh no, we're going to get Nightscape. I'm going to go pick up Nightscape at 12 in the morning, so bedtime.
Rain radar saying that storm is coming straight towards us.
Mitch?
Hiya, mate. There's a big storm brewing at the minute, and we think it's heading straight towards us.
Alright, I'll come right now.
Oh, and there's a boar outside.
No way.
Yeah,
Mate, it's taking it away.
It's taking all the bags.
No way.
The joys of camping, eh? It's like a fox or a wolf or something, isn't it?
I'll definitely jump on Richard's shoulders.
Jack staying safe in the tent.
Just making sure the flies don't get in, mate. Everyone.
Rookie camping mistake of leaving the rubbish out for the foxes to get. How's your sleep last night, Jack?
Not great, mate. Not great.
How's your back doing?
Not great. Not great. We forgot a sleeping bag. We forgot a pillow. It was too hot. Then it was too cold. The rain came. Fox came. I was having night terrors. So I kept waking up.
I'm grabbing my wrist.
Grabbing your wrist. Waking up like I've done 10 in Afghan. So now I'm gonna go energize somehow. So we're just getting all packed up now. Boys are having a little barbecue breakfast, but we haven't got time. We've got to go somewhere else. We've got to go to Barcelona. So we've just packed up the roof tent nice and quickly, and we're gonna get on our way after a rough night's sleep. I need to go and brush my teeth, get a shower, feel a bit more hygienic, and then I can get on the road again. But yeah, it's been an epic little trip. We got to come up here, we got to get out of the heat, and have some food and just an overall good night really, and a little fox tack. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.